Hey guys, welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. On today's video, we will see the reveal of the apartment tour in which I selected. If you have not seen the video prior to this, please go over and watch that video. But on this video, we are going to reveal my final selection. Okay, guys? Hey guys, so I know most of you are wondering, apartment tour? Yes, as I explained to you guys back in, I believe it was February, my last video of the new furniture coming into the home, that some changes were going to be made. I wasn't really sure of how those changes would take place, or during that time, if they would even take place. However, they have, and I am now in a new space, and the video prior to this will show you the selection of the apartments that I have been touring. I am not going to get into the personal matters behind that because I believe that is private, and because those are matters of the heart. However, I am in a new space in which I'm going to continue to bring you guys content built around home interior design, that which I love and enjoy. I love sharing my visions, my ideas, how my home is coming together. It will be a little different because I'm in an apartment versus a home, so I am limited on the things that I can do. However, there will still be DIYs, there will still be home decor, there will still be shop with me's, cook with me's, private intimate moments, thoughts, and things like that. I am transitioning as a woman and growing, and life is changing for me as I approach 50. So I would like to share some of those things as far as emotions and just changing in life in general, self-care, love, decision making, and different things like that. Okay, guys, but I thank you all who have been very supportive to me from this point on. I am at 630 subscribers. I'm praying that this is the year where I will reach 1,000 subscribers, and in doing that, I offer each and every one of you something that you can use in your life or in your home. Okay, so guys, anyway, we're going to get into this video now. Okay, in the last video, if you have not seen it, it was 2 apartments that I went to look at, and I asked those who watched the video whether or not they thought I selected apartment 1 or apartment 2. So if you have not watched that, go on over and watch that. And if you have, then you should be looking at this video here now. And I just want to say, everyone, including myself and my daughter, love apartment number 2. I love apartment number 2. Oh my God, it was so beautiful. The space was nice. The layout was nice. The only thing that was missing from that apartment was a balcony area. They had a sunroom, but it really doesn't give you the feel. I like to be outdoors sometimes, you know, and and living in a home, you're used to walking in the backyard and sitting out in the back. So I wanted to still keep that feel, although I'm in a smaller place. So with that being said, I did not select number 1 because that made me feel like I was closed in for some reason. It just felt closed in. So I did not select number 1. However, I did not select number 2. Number 2, I wanted that apartment. Believe me, I called, I kept requesting information, but for some reason, something was blocking that transition from happening. For some reason, I'm not sure, but I can tell you this. I am glad that it happened that way, because the space that I'm in now, that I'm about to share with you guys, an empty apartment tour. This particular unit that I am about to show you guys, I love it. I absolutely love it. I love the community. I love just the flow of the apartment. I love the space. It is absolutely beautiful. Okay, guys, so without further ado, I'm going to share the house tour with you guys. And at the end of the video, if you guys don't mind, be sure to subscribe, like, comment whether or not I made a great choice between apartment number 2 and this one right here. Let me know your thoughts. Leave me a comment below. Be sure to share my video with friends, loved ones, just anyone. Share my videos with them. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I'm trying to get up to 700. I'm at 630. I'm sure you guys with your shares can help me get to that 7. Okay, guys, but I hope you enjoy it. And until next time, thank you for watching Behind Closed Doors with your host, Mildred. Bye-bye.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down, down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care, no, no. I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around, wow. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? This is what we do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down, down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat, y'all. Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in this mystic cloud, waiting for something I can't get out. And I don't even care, no, no. I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine.